One thrust arm, Two thrust arms, All right. Hey YouTube, Gareth here with another really quick product review. Okay, what we have here today is a front control arm kit for your E83 X3, so that's gonna be from 2004 to 2010. One quick thing to note, you'll see that it does have the ball joint and the thrust arm. There is a production date split on that vehicle where there are different ball joints used and different control arms. Does not apply to this because if you're updating to the new control arm like what's in this kit, you're already gonna be putting the new ball joint in. Doesn't matter, there's no problem there. Just in case you were wondering. But included in this kit are 2 Lemforder thrust arms, 2 Lemforder wishbones, and 2 Lemforder ball joints. This is pretty much your entire front lower suspension. You know, typically we see on these cars, especially in states or the Rust Belt part of the country, or even up north in Canada, you'll find that these control arms rust out pretty bad. You get some water leaking into the ball joints, everything gets loose and sloppy over time, or the bushings on the thrust arms wear out. Sure, you might be able to replace your bushings or maybe your ball joints, but truth be told, if any of those components are worn out, the other ones are too. You might as well just replace them all in one shot, make it one quick, easy job. And also included with this kit is the replacement hardware that you're gonna need to have on hand. So it's a pretty comprehensive front kit. Also, these ball joints can be pretty stubborn sometimes to remove. I do recommend that if you have a slide hammer on hand and an adapter, probably will want to use the slide hammer to get these out of the knuckles because they can be really stuck, especially in a part of the country where you run into a lot of salt use or heavy corrosion. This has been another real quick product review. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it in the comment box below. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next one.